AI will consume a lot of it, guys.
That's
And since I mentioned AI, guys, there is a car that was designed and built. Yeah, he's
That's
really,
true.
really, really smart.
All right.
Let me close with that. Hi there, guys.
Hi guys,
welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes, guys. Today's video, guys, a little bit different.
Talking about the future.
Let's talk the future, guys.
Yes.
As you can see there,
Yes.
that's part of the future, guys.
Yeah,
that is
that's
part of
true.
the future.
Yeah.
Like it or not, it's part of the future, guys.
Things are happening in South Africa.
Yes, things are really happening. We are stackers. We're preparing. As we are stacking, we are preparing for the future, guys.
Yes.
That's also the future.
The fuel price is going up.
Yes, guys. The fuel price, guys, it's going up, guys. They mentioned it. I think yesterday. Yeah, they say yesterday it's going up. Yes, and it really went up. They were not lying.
Yeah.
So
electricity also.
Yes, electricity, guys. They said that electricity will increase by
15%.
15%. Yes, they said it will increase by 15%, guys. Our supplier, guys, took it upon themselves that they will increase the prices of electricity, since the government now is tired of bailing them out all the time. So now they took it upon themselves. So as a business, that in order for them to keep their doors open, they need to up the prices.
That's true.
Yes, guys. Who's gonna suffer? It's us.
It's us.
Yes, guys.
Because all these will cause the food price to go up.
Yes, it will cause the food price, guys.
It's already up.
Increase. It's already up. Yes.
And it's gonna shoot even more than
yes, guys. That's what we are seeing here in South Africa, guys. As you mentioned, the full fuel price and electricity and the food prices, guys, because those two will cause that one
to go up.
It will cause these ones to go up. I don't want names to appear, guys, since I don't want to be known to YouTube think that it's paid promotion. That's why I don't want to take those them, ones. But it will cause the food price to go up, those two, guys. Okay, guys. I don't know whether XRP, guys, it's because
there's a lot of talk about
a lot of talk, yes, about XRP.
I'm sure everyone is tired now. That is the fact.
It is the fact, guys. XRP will be it's going up, guys. It's gonna be a currency. Talks are like that XRP will be currency, guys, because banks are backing it and everything like that. And there's these cartoons called The Simpsons. The Simpsons, guys, they keep saying that yes, every predictions that was in the scenes of The Simpsons came true.
Coming true.
Yes, it came true, guys. So
they did mention it.
They did mention XRP being a currency, having a credit card called XRP, guys. They had it on one of their scenes, guys. As an episode, guys. We didn't watch, but we heard that they had it, and everything, every prediction that they make comes true. Yes, guys.
Do your research.
Yes, just do your research on that one, guys. We're still gonna look for that episode. That episode where they made a prediction about XRP and closely listen to it. Yes, guys.
We don't know about this silver, what it's actually doing.
Yes, I don't know whether the manipulation has started.
Oh no.
As always.
Yes,
it's not something new. We're used to it.
But the only thing that is gonna make it go high, it's this new technology that are implementing.
Yes, the new technology, guys. As they mentioned, that AI, guys, will require a lot of energy. energy. So silver will play a role in the solar, guys, because as we mentioned, electricity. So I think the solars, guys,
they're gonna come in handy.
Yes, to bring the power of electricity, guys, as AI will consume a lot of it, guys. And since I mentioned AI, guys, there is a car that was designed and built by a robot.
Yes,
the
guys.
The whole car built, designed and built, guys, by a robot. You can do your research on that car.
Movies, but now it's here.
It's happening. It's happening, guys. Movies will tell you a lot.
Yeah.
As we mentioned on our other
videos that you must watch them.
Movies, analyze them, guys.
Yeah.
Analyze them. You will have a glimpse. You will have a glimpse of what the future will look like. Yes, guys. Just do your research on that car.
Yes.
That car, it's called Zinga 21C. Yes, 21C for 21st century, guys. They call it Zinga's 21C.
And it's a very beautiful car.
It is.
It's a very beautiful car.
It is. I don't know whether it's called a supercar or a hypercar.
I think it's a hypercar.
It's a hypercar.
It's a hypercar.
Yes, it's there. Top level. Not playing. They're not playing.
Has ever designed that car.
No. Yes, guys. And who else wants to go to Mars? Mars.
He's still saying one and the same thing.
Yes.
Who
wants to go to Mars? Who wants to go to Mars, guys? There's this guy that always talks about Mars. I think it's a prep as well, because he foresees something about to happen with this AI. Since they're going to introduce it, I won't go much into detail on it, guys. This is YouTube. We'll just highlight it there.
But
he foresees something major that's going to happen.
That's why you want to go
with
to
the
Mars.
AI. So I think Mars is just a backup plan
for him.
For him, for
him, and those millions,
and there's one
million,
yes, that wants to go with him to Mars.
I wonder who's those.
It's us, guys. It's us. People that are flashing silver on cameras like this will be part of that 1 million. If you have silver and these ones, yes, guys,
those precious metal
and the precious metal and his Dogecoin, guys. If you also have Dogecoin, you will be going with him to Mars. Yes, guys, just prep yourself on that as well, because I think he's prepping. Because
why?
That guy is a smart guy. He's really smart, guys. He's really smart. Watch few of his interviews. He's really smart. He's prepping that one day there will be an emergency for us to go to Mars.
Yes. Far we're here. We need to also prep ourselves. Yeah,
we are here. We need to really prep ourselves. Let's not forget that, guys. It's part of the prep. It's part of the prep.
If you do have a nice storage, even fuel, if you do have it.
Yeah, if you have a storage for fuel, I won't leave that out. I will put it in the books, guys, as part of prepping, guys. Okay.
And even those who already got solars, I think they're gonna save a lot of money.
They're really going to save a lot of money.
Because there is few houses that got solar roofs.
Yes. In one of the videos, guys, he glimpsed about one house. He just showed a glimpse of one house where it's covered in solar. The roof is covered in solar, guys. So with that type of roof, I don't think you'll be needing electricity. You will be begging anybody for electricity if you have that roof. So he showed that, guys, as part of the future, guys. So solar will need this. Obviously, everybody knows solar will need silver, guys. So I think this manipulation during that time, I think they won't have a say anything during that time, we will just be selling to them at that time at a higher price. Yeah, once they dig and finish all the sale.
All of it. So let's prepare.
Yes, guys.
Prepare.
So yeah, I think today's video was just about that, guys.
We wanted to prepare ourselves.
Yeah, just prepare yourself. Just prepare yourself.
It's here.
It is here, guys.
South
Africa, it is happening, guys. It is happening, guys. And
that's true.
They're fighting also in Mozambique.
Yeah.
Fighting over the fuel. Everybody wants to prep themselves.
That's true.
They're fighting over the fuel. Oil.
I think it's oil.
Yeah, I think it's
oil.
Oil filled. So estimation it's millions that are gonna be produced there. So they are fighting over that, guys. So yeah, hey, things are really happening in Mozambique.
And they are our neighbors.
Like close to us.
Yeah.
Like close to us, guys.
You can see it on the map.
Yes, yes. Threats that those terrorists will try and come to South Africa.
Never know.
Yeah, but I don't think they will try South Africa. No, they won't try this side.
Yeah.
Because, okay, let's just end it there.
Yes,
okay, guys, I think today's video was just about that.
Yes, that's true.
Okay.
Yeah, we'd like to thank our subscribers.
Yes, guys, thanks to our subscribers, guys.
You're helping us a lot.
You really help us a lot, guys.
That's true.
Yes, guys.
And smash that like button.
Yes, do smash that like button, guys, okay?
Yes.
Alright.
Alright.
Let me close with that.
Beautiful
Red Indian.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.